So welcome to Jumbo IS and welcome to our lecture series called Daily MCQ Practice. In this lecture series, we cover a particular day's current affairs in a very short span of time, and we cover those current affairs through 4 to 5 MCQs. So today we are going to be covering September 17th, 2024's current affairs through a set of 5 MCQs. Alright? Now the purpose of this lecture series is twofold. Very simple. Number one, we want you to revise your current affairs. And what better way to revise your current affairs through a bit of MCQ practice. Now, MCQ practice is very important if you are serious about civil services examination, especially about the first stage, prelims. And through this lecture series, you have to just spend 10 minutes daily with me. Daily we'll be covering 4 to 5 MCQs, but these daily 10 minutes would add up to more than 1200 MCQs from current affairs alone. I'm not talking about static subjects. We'll be covering MCQs from static subjects like polity, history, geography in other lecture series. I'm just talking about 1200 MCQs from current affairs alone. Okay? And I don't need to tell you the importance of current affairs in prelims examination. Okay? So make this lecture series a part of your daily routine. Make it a daily habit of yours. Because if you'll do that, then by the time you're ready for your prelims examination next year, you would have 1200 MCQs under your kitty, and that would come in really handy in your prelims examination. This would definitely make your chances of clearing this exam very bright. Alright, enough of the introduction. Let's straight away jump to question number 1. Okay, so here it is. Consider the following statements regarding Santhal Pargana. Santhal Pargana division constitutes 6 district administration units known as the divisions of Chhattisgarh state in eastern India. The division was first formed in 1832 by the colonial government of India. Santhal Hul was led by Birsa Munda in 1855. Now look, Santhal Pargana is basically an area which consists of 6 districts. And this area is designated for Santhal tribals. Santhal tribals have certain rights over here. Their customary law, their tribal law is protected, recognized in this area. And this area is known as Santhal Pargana. It consists of 6 districts in the state of Jharkhand, not Chhattisgarh. Okay? So this statement is false because it's not Chhattisgarh, it should be Jharkhand. Now, this division was first formed in 1832 by the British government. Of course, East India Company actually formed this division, right? And they formed this Santhal Pargana because they wanted these Santhals to cultivate this land, clear all the forests, and practice agriculture over here. But over time, they started actually snatching away the rights of Santhals. And that is why these Santhals rose up in rebellion in 1855. This rebellion is known as Santhal Hul. Now, Santhal Hul was led by 4 siblings. The more important ones among those siblings were Sidhu and Kanhu. Okay? Birsa Munda actually led Munda rebellion in 1895, not Santhal rebellion. Okay? So this is also false. This is correct. Only one statement is correct. The option that we need to mark is A. Question number 2. Which of the following statements regarding the 8th India Water Week are correct? It is a biennial event organized by Ministry of Jal Shakti since 2020. The theme for this year's event was Partnerships and Cooperation for Inclusive Water Development and Management. It is being held at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Okay. So the 8th India Water Week was recently inaugurated by President Draupadi Murmu. And this India Water Week is a biennial event that is organized by Ministry of Jal Shakti. But Ministry of Jal Shakti has been organizing this event since 2012, not 2020. So this is false. Now this year's theme was Partnerships and Cooperation for Inclusive Water Development and Management. This is correct. The event is being organized at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. This is also correct. So 2 and 3 only. Okay. Question number 3. Consider the following statements regarding Smart Precision Horticultural Program. It will function under Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture. It will cover 15,000 acres of land in 5 years from 24-25 to 28-29. Precision farming is a modern approach that uses smart technology such as AI, Internet of Things, drones, data analytics in agriculture. Which of the above statements are correct? Now look, government wants India's agriculture to be productive. And what better way to make our agriculture productive than employing smart technology, employing the new age technologies in agriculture? Okay, so government wants the use of AI, IoT, drones in agriculture. And when you use these technologies in agriculture, this is known as precision farming. So precision farming's definition is absolutely correct over here. Now, government wants to introduce precision farming in horticulture sector. Horticulture sector is fruits, vegetables, aromatic flowers, and all that. Okay, and for that, government is actually planning to spend 6,000 crore rupees under Smart Precision Horticulture Program. And this program will be placed under Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture. Under this program, this program's tenure is 5 years, 24-25 to 28-29, and it will cover 15,000 acres of land where smart technologies shall be employed. So this part is also correct. All statements are correct. The option is D. Question number 4. Consider the following statements regarding Mission Mausam. It is a 2,000 crore project with a tenure of 2 years which aims to enhance India's capability of predicting extreme weather events. The mission shall be implemented by organizations working under Ministry of Science and Technology. Which of the above statements is correct? Now, recently, government launched Mission Mausam. Under Mission Mausam, India will improve both the quantity of scientific instruments and the quality of scientific instruments. And these scientific instruments shall be placed to monitor and predict extreme weather events, natural disasters, and climate change. Okay, so India wants to improve its ability to predict natural disasters, extreme weather events. Okay, and for that, they have launched 2,000 crore project for a period of 2 years. This is correct. Now, various agencies would be implementing this project, but all those agencies come under Ministry of Earth Sciences, not Science and Technology. So this part is false, and the answer is only 1. Okay, and last, question number 5. Consider the following statements regarding Kendriya Police Kalyan Bhandars. KPKB system was launched as a welfare measure by Ministry of Home Affairs in the year 2006. Serving and retired personnel of CAPF, Centrally Armed Police Force, CPO, Central Police Organizations, and state police forces and their family members across India are the beneficiaries. Okay. Now look, Kendriya Police Kalyan Bhandars are grocery stores basically all over India where at affordable prices, essential items are being provided. Now, these stores are open for police personnel and their families so that their cost of living declines. Okay, it was launched by Ministry of Home Affairs in 2006. Yes, and it is for serving and retired personnel of these organizations. Both these statements are correct. The answer is C. And with that, we conclude today's session. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. And I'm sure it has added value to your preparation, though it would add more value if you are consistent and regular with this lecture series. By the way, if you want to download the PDF file for this lecture, where all the questions discussed in this lecture, as well as their detailed solutions are provided, you can download this PDF file from our Telegram channel. Now, the link to our Telegram channel is provided in the comment section below. So make sure you check that out too. On that note, I'll be signing off. Thank you so much, everyone.